It's really good. Wow, really refreshing. Oh, this is this is my milkshake, my protein milkshake. It has banana, oat milk, peanut butter, spinach, and protein powder. Welcome back to the Life Tools Podcast with me, h.v. Life Coach, where we talk about how to awaken, reset, and transform your mindset, habits, and life for more positive, ideal results. Okay, so here's the thing. Nobody in your life is going to help you pursue, accomplish, or hold you accountable to the things that you want to pursue, accomplish, or have in your life. When you're a kid in elementary school, they tell you, hey, you got homework to do, Billy. Hey, you better go to that class, Billy. Hey, you better get your grades up, Billy. Hey, it's recess time. Hey, do your chores, Billy. Hey, take out the trash, Billy. Hey, clean your room, Billy. When you're a kid, there's always somebody navigating your path in your life for you. There's always somebody telling you what you have to do. There's always somebody there and present to make sure that you're on the path you need to be. Now, if that's not your life, that wasn't your life growing up, it's going to be a little bit that much harder for you to figure it out. Or it might have been easier for you to go and figure it out because you had nobody. But for those who had somebody there and they don't have anybody there now and they don't know what to do, this is for you. You literally have to hold your own hand. You have to walk down the street and hold your hand and say, hey, we're going this direction. This is the vision. This is the path. This is the mission. This is what we're going to do. Because if you're not doing it, who do you think will? You're a grown ass adult. There's nobody else here to make sure you do what you say you're going to do. There's nobody here to make sure that you're going to get to where you want to get to. There is nobody here about to be in your life pursuing your dreams and ambitions and goals more than you. Am I wrong? I don't think so. And that's the responsibility that's bared upon us as adults. Especially when you really understand that there's something inside of you calling you. There's a purpose driving you. There's a vision fueling you. You know this. You know that nobody else is going to tell you. In fact, sometimes it's the opposite. Sometimes it's people telling you, that's not going to happen. You can't do that. That's not possible. Hey, wait a minute. I'm just trying to care for you. I'm just trying to protect you. I'm not being scary. I'm just asking you to check out all the problems. There's going to be people fighting against you and your vision and your dreams and your ambitions. You have to stand in your faith, in your truth, in your deepest core values, and know, even if you can't see with these eyes, believe with your all conviction in your heart and with your mind and your imagination. Listen, knowing is powerful, but the imagination is even more powerful. You can solve problems with what you know, but once you find a problem that you can't solve with what you know, all you got is your imagination, the things you don't know that are possible. And nobody in this world is going to see what's in your mind and help you unleash it, release it into this world. I mean, they will help you once they see you doing it, but no one's going to help you more than you. And at the beginning, no one's going to remind you to do it.